became another stream, carrying me closer to my dreams. Every note became another key, opening a different part of me. Now the silence doesn't feel so loud. I can hear my own voice through the crowd. What was heavy slowly drifted free.